I'm Janet Gallipo. I was the first person to practice the system in Miami, and now we have several hundred practitioners in the Miami area. Body Talk has grown. It's actually just been approved for coursework at the local college, which we're very, very happy about. Body Talk is a system of energy medicine. It was founded by an Australian doctor, Dr. John Veltheim, in the mid-1990s. And Dr. Veltheim discovered Body Talk because he had a health crisis, a personal health crisis, that had not responded to any other intervention. He had an Epstein-Barr virus. He was very, very ill for 6 years, and his illness forced him to actually invent a system that he did with the help of a colleague of his. And in the year 2000, he actually launched the system to the public, which meant the launching of the international website and the training of other instructors to teach Body Talk around the world. The system now has about 80 instructors worldwide. We're teaching in something like 38 countries in about 15 languages, and all of this has happened since the year 2000. So that tells you something about the effectiveness of the system. Over time, the Body Talk system is able to confront limiting attitudes and belief systems, things that you think about yourself that are somehow limiting you from moving forward in your life. Body Talk basically draws people because of its extremely excellent clinical results. And so what we find is that people have a personal experience with the Body Talk system, and then based on their personal experience, they come forward to learn more, to involve family members, or maybe to take some of the training in Body Talk. We now are practicing in 38 countries. The system is the fastest growing healthcare system in the world.
I got relief almost immediately from Body Talk. I got relief, it was miraculous.
I was probably in the most excruciating pain that I had ever been in my life. And as it turned out, I had developed a hematoma in my spine, and which was putting pressure on my sciatic nerve. After this one Body Talk treatment, I got a call from the doctor. And he told me, he says, there's nothing there. And that was the story, that was the end of my hematoma. So that was my experience with that one Body Talk treatment.
In my office, we take care of people who haven't been helped by anybody else, people who've been to all the Western doctors and all the alternative practitioners, and they finally end up in my office, and over a period of time, we sort them out. It doesn't take that many sessions with Body Talk. It is not endless treatment. My average number of sessions now with a patient is probably 3 to 5. That's it. And we actually say that Body Talk is a system of personal and spiritual growth with a side effect of healthcare. And we say that because we believe that most people are ill because of the way that they think, because of belief systems and attitudes. I'm going to tap out her top 2 cortices. Many times, we need to supply an emotional definition of what is going on with an area of the body. There's fear in the heart. There's anger in the heart. There's grief being held in the heart. These things are very serious. They cause disease. Most of us are ruled by our emotions, ruled. And because of that, these emotions are stuck in all different parts of the body, and they create tremendous havoc and tremendous disease. The body is able to heal itself. Our bodies are actually able to heal themselves. People come to Body Talk with all kinds of things, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual illness, and they're able to be balanced by the system and quickly stabilized. Sometimes it seems almost miraculous. Many times people come in with problems that have been bothering them for a long time, and they have 1 session or maybe 2 sessions, and things are completely gone.
I couldn't lay on the back of my head, and when I stepped down to walk, I had shooting pain up into my head, and this was going on for a very long time.
When you have a Body Talk treatment, it addresses so many things that are going on in your body. You can actually feel your systems reconnecting. You can feel, it's almost like when I was finished with the session, it was like I'd had a full body massage, but I was it's like an energy that flows through you that feels so good. You just feel so good. I don't know how to explain it other than you just have this vitality and this feeling of well-being and peace.
Within 2 days, I felt a lot better. And then I came back after about 2 or 3 weeks. It was still a little bit there. And I think that was the last time I actually had that, was after this second treatment. And of course, since then, I've been sent 3 different people here.
You know, people have all kinds of issues about getting well. We have a saying in Body Talk. We say that patients do not want to get well. They want to have their symptoms alleviated. Big difference. Big difference, yes. Because getting well implies change on all levels. And people don't want to change. We say that we do. We say that we want to change, and that we want growth and positive change in our life. But actually, our bodies and the amygdala of our brains and so many of the systems of our bodies are actually set up against this. So although we say we want change and we want our lives to improve, there's a resistance.
My name is Kinkuro Broden. I'm a gymnast. My back was, I had 2 fractures in my back and my spine, my L5. And I went to many doctors, tried many different things. And for about 15 months, nothing would work. We happened to find Body Talk, or my mother actually.
Well, after 5 sessions, it came back previously. Well, L5 pars fracture existed, is now completely healed. Bilaterally, yeah.
My back was completely healed and pain is gone, so highly relieved with that. Yeah. Even to this day, my back is really pain-free, and that's pretty much how I like it to be.
How long is that already? That's
It's been about
2 years and a half, going on 3 years.
going about 2-3 years, and
Yeah.
my back is pain-free. I'm doing great.
Poor health in a person denotes a lack of communication or a lack of synchronization within the body. The body is not a group of autonomously functioning parts. So if somebody has a stomach problem and they go to the doctor and the doctor's focusing on the stomach, sometimes they may be able to correct the stomach problem by focusing only on the stomach, but other times the stomach needs to be focused on as part of an integrated system, part of the entire digestive system. And one of the things that makes Body Talk so unique is we believe that things need to be addressed as part of a link in the system. We think that communication has broken down somewhere in the body, and the way in which it needs to be repaired is to relink things in the system. We have a program called the Body Talk Access Program. It is a 1-day course where we've selected 5 of the strongest Body Talk techniques for use, not in professional practice, but for use with families and in situations where there is limited health care. It has been taught all around the world, including Africa, India, China, and South America, and it's continuing to grow and develop.
I would recommend Body Talk to everyone alive that wants to have a vital life, that wants to live a life free of pain, full of energy, and at peace.
If it could help me out, then I'm pretty sure it could help most people out.